Hello students, today we are here with the worksheet number 10 for class 9, that is from our second chapter is matter around us pure. The topic of our worksheet is matter and here written is recapitulation. It means this worksheet provides a recap of the whole chapter, all worksheets. So let's go. Gyan, what you have learned so far about the matter around us? Jigyasa asks Gyan, what you have learned so far about matter? Didi, I have learned many things like matter is made up of particles and matter has anything that occupies space and has mass. And Gyan also tells some property of particle like they have empty space between them, they attract each other and they are continuously moving. What are the different states of matter, Gyan? Here are three states of matter, the solid, liquid and gas. If we melt the solid, that it convert into liquid, and the process of changing liquid into gas, that is boiling. The process of converting gas into liquid is condensation and liquid into solid is freezing. Gyan, name the process which directly change solid into gas and gas into vapor. That is sublimation. Very good. Gyan, what happened when we increase the temperature? Didi, when we increase the temperature, the molecules of the matter gain the kinetic energy, and by gaining the kinetic energy, their molecule change their state. What are the different forms of the matter? Didi, there are two forms of the matter, pure and mixture. Pure like elements and compounds, and mixture are two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Element. What is element? It is the smallest part of the matter which can't be divided by physical process like iron and gold. And what is compound? When two or more elements combine by a chemical process in a fixed or definite proportion like water, glucose and salt. Gyan, what are the different type of mixture? Didi, there are two type of mixture, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous, in which particle have a uniform composition, and heterogeneous, in which particle have non-uniform composition. Gyan, can you give me the example of homogeneous? Yes, Didi, that is a solution of water and salt. And what are the example of heterogeneous? Didi, they are suspension and colloid. Suspension like soil and water, colloid like milk and water. So students, I think by this worksheet you can get easy recap of full chapter, and here are some questions. Let's go and solve these questions very easily. First, name a matter which exists in the nature in all the three states. That is water. Very good, because water exists as solid in icy state, as liquid, as water, and when we heat the liquid it convert into gas, that is gaseous state. Second question, how does a solution differ from a suspension? Students, solution is a homogeneous mixture, whether suspension is a heterogeneous. Solution, for example, water plus salt, and suspension, milk plus water. And from the back worksheet you can get a differentiate table from solution and suspension. Third is, what are compounds? When two or more elements combined by chemical process in the definite proportion is called compound. Give any name of two compounds. Student, here you have two examples, water and glucose. The last question is what are mixture? Mixtures are those in which two or more elements combined in any proportion, not fixed ratio. They are called mixture. Like salt plus water, it is a homogeneous mixture. Soil plus water, it is a heterogeneous, that is suspension, and milk plus water, it is a colloid, that is also heterogeneous mixture. And I hope you can get all things about the is matter around us pure by this recap. And if you like this worksheet and understand the recap fully, then like my channel, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel Learning Light to get more updates about the worksheets and scientific aspects. Thank you.